see your sort of critical race practice being enhanced by the fact that you're working in the comics field? Because I actually think there's a huge question here, as Zach works sort of like into that, about the lost history of diversity in comics or something. So maybe that's a good place to start.
Well, it's funny because I still think of comic. Well, definitely, it's like, of course, there's a narrative practice, right? But also, it is a design. There are designed objects. They are like, to me, pure graphic design because you're dealing with like, narratives with text and everything is symbolic. So I love that. I love just the vernacular of them. Even as as a graphic designer, I feel like they get across things really plainly. There's a reason why we have them in like every airplane. I always tell the students like, if you've ever been on a plane, you've actually read a graphic novel, like a comic in some way, that, because it describes
how not to
die. Exactly. Or if you're in a Fight Club, then how to panic. But anyway, yeah, I mean, I think because representation is so key to like caricature and comics and stuff, that it's a really interesting space to kind of start hacking into those norms and stuff too. I mean, I keep talking about like how blackness or like images or stereotypes are like really part of. They're produced, they're deliverables, they're designed, that kind of thing. So I think all these different strands of, visual communication, stereotyping, the product itself or the technology of race, those types of things, they get explored really readily in like early comics and stuff because this is what you were talking about, like they get inherited from just how race is constructed and then propagated, But that's mostly design. I mean, it's mostly like visual language, I think,